Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and if you'd like to see how to create this Ice Queen, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so starting off, let's do something with my hair. I have to put it back because I'm going to be painting my face. So let's put it into a little wig cap, like so. Looks good. Now it's time for contacts. I'm going to go in with some white contact lenses, kind of crystally gray actually, and they will pull the look together wonderfully for this Ice Queen. Then I'm going in with a white foundation mixing liquid, if that makes sense. It lightens foundation for you, but I'm just going to use it as a base for my foundation because I have to be super pale for this Ice Queen look, and I think it works perfectly. It still brings the pink through my skin to give that nice cold pinky white look for it. Making sure to take it all the way down the neck as well. Now once I have that done, I'm taking a brush and some white paint, and I'm just creating little squiggly lines from my chin down my neck, kind of like frost or ice, or you know what I mean? Just to do with the Frost Queen. Doing the exact same thing around my forehead, down my temples, and along my cheekbones. Once I have that all done, I'm going with that purpley pink blush, and I'm applying it to the apples of my cheek and along my cheekbone to give that real frosted, cold, chilly look. Also applying it to the center part of my lips. Now with the white paint, I am applying it all over my lid and blending it into my crease. Doing the exact same thing to the other eye as well for a nice base of my look. Now I'm just going back in with a pearl ice color for some swishes around my temple, down my neck, around my face, just to give more of a frosted, silvery look to this Ice Queen. Then with the same blush that I used, that purpley pink, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm blending it in to my crease really well. Now that that's done, I'm taking this jumbo glitter from a craft supply store and I'm putting it into a jar with some chunky salt, so just coarse salt, and mixing it together like so. And this is going to go on my cheekbones and my brows. But first I'm going to dab on some brow glue, or sorry, eyelash glue, to hold it in place, and then I'm just going to press the salt and the glitter all in one to where I put the lash glue. This holds it in place and gives that perfect like ice sheen sparkle. I don't even know how to describe it, it just looks really pretty. And I'm going to cover my brows with some white paint because I'm going to do those next. Just creating little flecks like I did all over my face and my neck. Same thing on my brows. And then I'm taking a flat brush to apply the lash glue, and then I'm pressing the salt and glitter into the glue like so. And that finishes up the crystally frosty brows and cheekbone look. I think it really pulls it together. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and some more white paint, and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line and blending it out to complete the eyeshadow look. Then I'm popping on some lower lashes as well as some top lashes. Once I have those bad boys in place, I'm then going to cover them in white paint. By covering these in white paint, it gives that sort of wispy, snow, frosty look. I really don't know how to explain it, but it just makes it cold and frosty looking, like there's snow sitting on my eyelashes, you know? Then I'm just lining it in the waterline to hide any pink that I might have on my eyes, and that's the finished look. Look at that makeup. Now I'm going to pop on this 70s white hot wig and this ghostly costume to pull it all together. Now that I have the wig on, I'm just styling it how I'd like, kind of like putting the bangs underneath the wig to give a side swish bang, if you know what I mean. But this look isn't complete without the crown to make me a queen. Once that crown is on, it's time for the costume. So here is the ghostly costume. Thought it worked really well with the wispy frost look. And there's the look all together. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this Ice Queen makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes, as well as check out my channel, Caitlyn Kreklewich, for more looks like this. Till next time, bye!